Ninja Chef, Japanese home cooking channel. Hello, today I'm gonna introduce you a pork miso soup, what we say butajiru. Most of the Japanese would say that it is absolutely gorgeous versions of normal miso soup. For example, some of the restaurants will ask you, do you want to upgrade from miso soup to pork miso soup at an additional charge? That means pork miso soup is literally high-grade versions of miso soup. It's a sweet and rich soup that makes good use of pork. So I'm sure you will enjoy it. Here is the ingredients. If you cannot find the burdock, you can use the artichoke instead. And when it comes to konjac, I've heard many foreigners dislike this smell, but I really recommend you to use this konjac in this recipe. It absorbs a lot of soup. There's gonna be no smell. It definitely will be a great supporting actor. Step 1. Cutting all vegetables. So all vegetables should be cut irregularly to enjoy various kinds of texture. About onion, cutting into wedge like this. About carrot, chopping into medium chunks. About radish, same way with carrot, like this. Wow, most curious way, cutting burdock into shavings. Step 2. Stir frying ingredients before simmering, so that we can remove excess water out of vegetables. By doing so, vegetables is getting easier to absorb flavor of soup. Stirring a few minutes. Then putting a konjac and stirring again. And then putting the pork and stir frying together. Do not fry pork too much so that the pork doesn't get stiff. Putting soy sauce and cooking sweet wine and ginger and a little bit miso and stir frying with seasoning. By this process before simmering, the taste goes into the ingredients well. Step 3. After frying, pouring the dashi soup and simmering for 20 minutes. Before cooking, we've prepared the kelp soaked in water. This simple making dashi soup can be used for most of Japanese food, so this channel subscriber should always stock the kelp. Simmering for 20 minutes. In these timings, you can put some of the leafy vegetables you like. Finally, dissolving miso into the soup. Then putting a little bit fire, and it's gonna be complete. When you come to Japan and come across this food, why not try it? Thank you for watching this video. This channel will show you Japanese home cooking culture in a simple and easy and fun way. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe this channel. See you soon!